Hi everyone, Dean here. I thought I'd run a quick video for Responsively just to outline reasons it's useful, um, why I personally use it, and how it makes my life a lot easier convincing clients they need a mobile website or a responsive website, and common things I've found that I'll show for an example. This current website I'm working on. The client wants a new website, which is fine, but you have to explain to them why they need a responsive website or a mobile website. The typical thing when I speak to a client, they'll say to me, but I can see the website on my iPhone, iPad, whatever device they have at the time. Why do I need a mobile one? Well, the simple reason is users don't want to be pinching, zooming, scrolling to get to vital information that's just too small from the offset when you use the device. So obviously this is easier to point out when you with a client who you can do it. But if you're not, like myself, I work with clients in the States, UK, Spain, etc., etc. So with responsive tools, they allow you to show the website to the client how a responsive website looks. Now, there's some ones out there that want to charge $1,000 a year to use their subdomains to use this tool, and that's why we thought let's build a tool for ourselves, also for other developers out there who don't want to pay £1,000 a year to have a subdomain and send clients to people's websites that you don't control. As simple as that. So, for example, this client, it's only a simple website that I'm going to be building from, but I wanted to show the process and why it's useful. So, if we go to Responsively, type in their website. Because I want to show that their current website, how it looks on a device, obviously it's not going to be responsive, it's going to be shown just basically how it is. So we select a non-responsive. Just a note here that a lot of the other tools out there that are charging these $1,000 a year for renting don't offer this option. Just it's a simple responsive view and that's it. So it's a useful feature I found because it then presents the website as it would on the real device, where the client's then got to pinch and zoom, even in landscape mode, all the different devices, Androids, so forth, to Kindles and whatnot, all on one page. They've got a left menu to scroll down to where they want, and really illustrates, I think, to the client, oh, hang on a minute, I can sort of see what you're saying here now. And the other bonus for me personally is I've not got to go and see a client with 10 or 12 different devices to make my life even more expensive. So with that in mind, been developing is very simple, only simple WordPress website with a responsive theme, still under development, but it's enough for me to showcase, how Responsively works and how I can show the client. So we're going through the process now, but if we then load up into Responsively again with the URL, leave responsive selected, click this go, and there we are. Gives the client a view of how it looks on the devices. It's all functioning as it would, on a responsive device. And it gives them a very quick outset, things you can see how it looks, because not everyone has iPhone, someone has an Android, great. Let them see what it looks like on an Android. Keeps everyone happy, Kindles and whatnot. Also quite useful tool when you're sort of debugging. If you're a developer, you can sort of see how things are responding to the different screen sizes and things of that nature. I mean, personally, I've found over the last 5 months we've been using this as our team, going out there getting new clients, having this tool showing them all under one page. You just send them the link in an email, they can go for it, they're happy, and we've converted a lot more people that didn't initially realise, one, they needed a mobile responsive website, and two, I haven't got to go out there with every device under the sun and show them. So it's made my life easier, and hopefully it makes everyone else's life easier. We've built this so it's as simple as you buy the script, upload it to your server domain, and it's all set to go. There's no real setup required. I've given a detailed PDF on how, if you're not too comfortable reading code, how to edit things like the text and dummy stuff on the website. Also included the PDF source files, all layered with all the vectors for the phones and stuff. So if you fancy changing colours or you want to develop it further to your own scene, we've got all the source code, and it's all yours. One-off fee, no yearly subdomain rental, which it's crazy if people are paying that anyway. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it and look forward to our new releases. Cheers.